Oxford Reading Tree, The Laughing Princess. Chip had a new book. It was about a princess who couldn't laugh. Nobody could make her laugh. Chip had an idea. Try and make me laugh, he said. Biff made a funny face, but she couldn't make Chip laugh. Biff put on a funny wig. She told a funny joke, but she still couldn't make Chip laugh. It's no good, she said. Kipper had some joke teeth. The joke teeth were new. The teeth went click, click, click. Everyone laughed and laughed. The magic key began to glow. The children ran into Beef's room. The magic took them on a new adventure. The children were in a village. They saw a notice on a tree. It was about a princess who couldn't laugh. Kipper had an idea. He still had the joke teeth. I can make the princess laugh, he said. The king was in the village. A girl told him a joke. That's not funny, said the king. That won't make the princess laugh. Who's next? Called the king. I am, said a man. Oh no, groaned the king. Not another chicken? The children went to the king. We can make the princess laugh, said Beef. How? Asked the king. The teeth went click, click, click. Everyone laughed and laughed. That will make the princess laugh, said the king. Kipper dropped the teeth. A dog caught them and ran off with them in its mouth. Stop that dog! Shouted the king. Stop that dog and get the teeth! Everyone ran after the dog. Get the teeth! Shouted the king. The dog was too fast. Nobody could catch it. Stop that dog! Shouted the king. The dog ran this way and that. People tried to grab it, but it was too fast. Get the teeth! Shouted Keeper. The king ran after the dog. Everyone ran after the king. The king fell over. The dog saw a bone and it stopped. Chip grabbed the dog and the dog dropped the teeth. The keeper picked up the joke teeth. Everyone looked at them. The teeth were broken. Oh no, said the king. The king put the teeth on a cushion. What a pity, he said. Now they won't make the princess laugh. The princess heard the noise. She looked out of a window. She saw the king and she started to laugh. The king had mud on his clothes. He had the teeth on the cushion. He looked so funny that the princess laughed and laughed. The king looked at the princess. I have made the princess laugh, he said. Everyone laughed and cheered. The magic key began to glow. The magic took the children home, but nobody saw the children go. Everyone was laughing. What made the princess laugh? Asked Keeper. I don't know, said Chip, but people laugh at silly things. The end.